Good morning, everybody. I'm not doing my espresso today. I was listening to Joe Rogan last night, and they're doing the new Sober October, which is some of his best episodes if you haven't seen them before. Probably don't need to be promoting Joe Rogan. Welcome to vlog number 67, guys. We got a bunch of new subscribers. Welcome, everybody. I think we're up to almost, I got like 5 in the last couple days. It's awesome. Welcome. Today I'm working on the pelvis some more. I'm almost there. What I really need to do is I need to get that compression thing figured out. And ooh, there's a bunch of water on the road. That's weird. Well, looks like they're just dumping water for, I have no idea why. It's a fuck ton of water. I'm really glad we got that mystery solved, guys. Back to Dylan. Anyway, I need to get that compression armor figured out, and then we'll be really rocking and getting things very close on the pelvis, and then either gonna build the head or I'm gonna build the lumbar after that. I might end up doing the lumbar because I kind of want to connect the two parts that I built so far, and then I'll probably build the head, and then the neck, and then the arms and the legs. That's probably what's gonna happen. So I've been working all day today, and it hasn't been super fruitful. Mostly I've just been kind of sitting there looking at it and thinking, trying to figure out how to do this. The problem is that putting in this sliding compressive thing on the front and the back is turning out to be non-trivial because it does indeed actually take up room. You know, I think there's something about the way you watch movies and you see something like that just slide out and you're just like, oh yeah, it just goes into nothingness. And I knew this in theory, but apparently I didn't know this in practice because I'm just kind of running into not quite knowing how to do it, and I didn't account for the room it was going to take up. So what I'm probably going to have to do is go back up to the top of the thing and then change stuff all the way down through so there's more room in the suit to actually put that shit in there. Especially in the back where there's like all those muscle anchors, those take up a shit ton of room, and then putting in this sliding piece is also going to take up a shit ton of room. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now, and I really don't even have that much to show you. I changed the strut system. Like if you watched yesterday's video where I talked about how I had those flat pieces, I turned them into curved pieces like I did on the torso. But other than that, I really haven't gotten much awesome shit done today. I'm going to go to martial arts today. I haven't been in a while. The last time I went was the last time I went on the vlog. And so I'm going to go do that because it keeps my mind straight and keeps me sane. Ideally, I would do it more. If I wasn't in the middle of this huge project, I would probably go more. And I want to get my black belt at some point. I'm testing for my black belt soon, but I still just have to go. Even if I'm not actively testing for my black belt, I just need to go do it every now and again because it keeps me sane up here. So I'm going to go do that tonight. So I'm not sure I'll get it done, but I'm probably not going to end the vlog until after I get back from martial arts. So maybe I'll get some rush of inspiration after doing class for a while, but we'll see. I went to class. I wanted a little bit more workout, which I got. I'm gonna eat some dinner. Let me show you crazy fucks what I've been working on today. Or perhaps I should say tonight, but let me show you what I've been working on. This is the sliding mechanism right here. So you can see, here's that part that I showed you guys yesterday. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you now have an excuse to go watch my video from yesterday. And then this is the part that slides. So it slides here, and then there's a support in here that slides. There's going to be a part that comes across here and then covers that up, and then a part that comes in here, and the idea is you move your leg back, it slides up, you move your leg forward, it slides down. That's kind of the idea. I'm not 100% happy with it. This part right here sticks out like too far. I really should get that flush, but then if it comes up here, it interferes with this, because this is going to have its own piece that comes around. There's going to be a joint here, and then it comes down the leg. From that joint, there's also another one on the front. So it comes here and then off 90 degrees from that, and here will be another one. So it can't come up here and interfere with that. yet I don't really want it sticking out down here. It doesn't make sense to have that sticking out further than that. It just doesn't really make any damn sense. So yeah, I'm not entirely sure. I need to figure out what I'm doing on the front. There should be another one coming across here, but I'm not really sure how I'm doing that yet either. But we're getting somewhere. If you go look at a picture of Iron Man, this piece right up here, and then there'd be like another round piece in here, is exactly how his suits look like in the movie, which I think is funny. I've talked about this before on my vlog about how I think it's funny that the stuff that the people came up with ends up being how it's actually most likely to be made. It's not like I'm trying to make this exactly like Iron Man, but it ends up working that way. So anyway, there's going to be that joint that comes across, and there's the other piece right there. They come across, and then right here is the one. This is the sagittal joint. These are the frontal joints in here, and those are based on planes of the body. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look up frontal, sagittal, and transverse plane on a Google image search, and you'll see what I'm talking about. But this will be the sagittal joint right in here. It'll fit right in here. And then this will kind of cup over it. And there may even be some like more compression kind of thing coming up, so as it slides down, it kind of keeps that up in there. That may be something that happens as well. Alright, all you guys, that's it for today. That wraps up vlog number, what are we on, 67? I don't even know. I think we're on 67. 60, I think it's 67. Yeah, I've been doing this a while. We're getting there though. Welcome new people. We keep getting new subscribers like every day, which is fucking awesome. If you are someone seeing this for the first time, subscribe. You know you want to. You know you want to. Or don't. I don't give a fuck. I don't care. Do what you want to do. Do what you want to do. Be your own person. Be your own person. You know, you could do that too. I checked, by the way. I've been working on the pelvis for 6 days. I worked on the torso for 11 days. I think I'm going to beat, knock on wood. See that? Knocking on wood. Not really superstitious, but maybe a little bit. Anyway, I think I'm going to beat the time it takes me to make the torso, make the pelvis faster than it takes me to make the torso. And then hopefully I'll make the lumbar even faster than that. And then the head's going to take a minute. That's what I predict. I think the head's going to be a complicated one. But then I think the arms and legs will be pretty quick. So we'll see if those predictions hold true. Love you guys. Like this video if you like this video. Or don't. I also don't care. Peace.